So far, we have introduced Lingle's main syntax commands. Have you learned how to use them all? They're easy to use and easy to learn, right? In the previous videos, we introduced Lingle's main commands and the basic search methods. In fact, you can combine multiple commands in one search. This video is going to demonstrate how to use multiple commands together. In addition, we are going to give you a few tips on performing searches using Linggle. Suppose you came across the following sentence: I studied last year. You recognize the sentence from a previous lesson where you used did a study. But this time, you want to find some better verbs. Since you've learned how to use the syntax commands, you type in verb, study. As the search results show on the screen, a good combination is found, conducted a study. But you also found some combinations like is a study and was a study, where a study was connected to a be verb, is and was, which is not what you wanted. Here's a tip when using the pattern verb plus keyword. Instead of using verb keyword, use to verb keyword. By doing this, you can easily wipe out all possible combinations that contain be verbs. You will now see that the results on the screen show to conduct a study, to undertake a study, and to fund a study. In this case, you should use to verb instead of verb if you want more precise results. Take the same sentence for example. Now that you found a good verb, I conducted a study last year. You feel that you can add more color to this sentence by adding an adjective before study. Using the pattern conduct a adjective study, Linggle retrieved many good combinations like conduct a comprehensive study, conduct a detailed study, and conduct a thorough study as shown on the screen. In fact, the two searches above, finding the appropriate verb and adjective, can be combined to form the pattern to verb, adjective, study. You only need one search and everything's done for you. Isn't that quick and easy? Or, if you don't feel like typing the command adjective, you can use the underscore command instead. And Linggle will find words that are used between and study. But be careful because the results for to verb, underscore study will be a little different, as you can see on the screen. You'll find that using the underscore command instead of precise searching, adjective retrieves combinations like feasibility study, comprehensive study, pilot study, and case study. Not only are adjective plus noun combinations found, but noun plus noun combinations like feasibility study and case study are also found. Searching with clearly defined part-of-speech patterns will result in well-organized data, but it also limits other possible combinations. On the other hand, using underscore patterns will retrieve all possible words that are used between and study. Due to English phrase structures, both adjective plus noun and noun plus noun combinations are found. So, if you want more flexible results, using the underscore command is a fantastic choice. Please keep in mind that when using the keyword plus part of speech, wildcard, and underscore commands, a space is needed before and after the command. For example, to verb the problem, to wildcard the problem, and to underscore the problem. The only exception is the /, like the example we used previously. If you want to confirm whether in the contrary or on the contrary is correct, use the pattern in /on contrary. In this pattern, in /on are connected, and there's no need to put spaces between them. After in /on, type a space and continue the pattern. The syntax commands that we introduced so far, including keyword plus part of speech searches, wildcard for 0 to 5 word searches, underscore for single word searches, and / for choosing the best out of 2-word searches. Can be combined and tailored to your personal search needs. Please try a few integrated searches and see the powerful and efficient results provided by Linggle.